Hello everyone, I wanted to give you an update regarding the WojciechRobot project. This is how the robot looks like. So what you are looking at now is all the electronics put together. Here's the battery, LCD display, gyroscope and accelerometer, ESP32, the motor driver, and at the moment I have just one motor connected to it. This axis is raised so the robot doesn't go anywhere when the wheel spins, and I've also put a piece of tape on the wheel so you can see the rotation more clearly. I've put a piece of acrylic here, and I think it looks pretty nice, much better than a steel plate, for example. So I will now allow power to flow to the motor, and now I will power up ESP32 from my laptop. So you can see all the pieces working now. The wheel is rotating, so motor is working, LCD display is working, and it's showing data from the gyroscope, as you can see. So currently the computation is done sequentially. So the ESP32 is spinning the wheel, then reading data from the sensor, then displaying it, and you can see that the wheel stops moving for a moment, and that's when all the reading data and displaying it is occurring. So the next step will be to do the computations independently of the spinning of the motor. I'm also hoping I won't have let me cut the power to the motor now. I'm also hoping I won't have to change the wheels, because even though I like them a lot, they look pretty good. They are unfortunately quite soft. The robot is very heavy. In my opinion, it's 3.4 kilograms, so you can imagine a 2-liter bottle and a 1.5 liter bottle. That's 3.5 kilos, so that's almost as much as this robot weighs. That's pretty heavy, and most of that weight is not from the frame, but from the motors themselves. Maybe a little bit from the material. The frame is made of steel, but it's actually not that heavy. It's the motors that add most of the weight to it. So as you can see, all the pieces are in place now, so I will be able to do the balancing now, and that's what I will focus. The next step after that would be connecting Raspberry Pi to ESP32, and the Raspberry Pi will have a camera, and it will be doing some AI stuff, like trying to find a person and follow it, but that will be later on in the project. So this is how it all looks like at the moment. Thank you very much for your time. If you would like to have some more contents like that, please like and subscribe. It will help the channel grow. Thank you very much, and see you in the next videos.